Go crypto investing, you can see the market's moving today, and I got some Cardano here. Cardano is pumping beautifully, right? It got supported right where this little circle is right there, right on a 100-day moving average. And if we zoom out, or if we zoom out, a 2-hour time frame, you can see Cardano is been in this falling channel. We actually need to go to the daily time frame. It's been so long, right? We have a man willing to going down the top foot that turned up to the bullish reversal pattern. But you can see Cardano's been in this falling channel for quite some time. It's been a big fall with our industry exclusive purchase flow from the $3.01. And you can see it was in this falling channel. Upper resistance, support, upper resistance, lower support, upper resistance, lower support, fake out, and then it straddled this upper resistance where you want to see a back test, bounce up and breach this old high right there. It straddled, fall back through, came back up, one minute, push it back out, rejected, partially rejected in the great dump of what was that, late May, right, early June. And we had the big fall in crypto, kind of rhythmic event, shook the crypto world, right? And then we traded sideways, came back up to upper resistance, partially rejected in the early June done, right? Then traded sideways, and now we're trying to run back up again. And we have these upper targets at 74 and 91 cents. If this thing can pump up from where it's at now and get a big volume push, right? Which has been decreasing volume since back here after the great massive bull market of 2020 and early 2021, right? Early to mid 2021. Even at the end of the year, there's a big pump right here. At the beginning of the year pump, and then dump, and end of the year pump, and then this big dump. But you can see if this ever can turn around, the technical target is actually all the way up here towards the top of the wedge at $1.39 inch. Do I think it's going up there right now? No. But do I think they have a target up here? Yes. But we got to watch to see if they can sustain above where it's at now. Make a run to its micron at 60 cents and then try to fight into 50-day blue and 200-day green, right? So that's what we're watching out for in Cardano. If we zoom in now, then you can see that. You can see where we're at. You're bottoming out and holding support on that 43 cents, and now you come over that descending upper resistance in the falling channel that we've seen in the daily time frame. And you can see right here, we held on a back test. See that? We pumped up and back tested. We held. On top of that, that's bullish, and that's what you want to see. And now you've actually breached the old high here, and the other two local highs here that were on upper resistance that were descending down, right? But you broke that, so that's technically bullish. And now you want to see the volume candles in the next few hours this weekend. You start getting some bigger candlesticks, right? Keep that volume uptrending. You can see how the volume, the mean right here is uptrending. And that's the volume you see right here in the middle of that right line. That's the mean of the volume. And you can see the mean of the volume is trickling up, leading the price up, right? And then as the volume is trickling up, you see a lot of green candles there. So that's what you want to see. To keep this bullishness and to try to make a run up here. Got one of the moving averages up there at 71 cents. But we're going to have to continue to keep watching that. If we zoom back out to the daily time frame, I wanted to do this again because I believe my volume indicator got deleted from this last pump on that channel. I'm going to put it down there to keep out of the way. Yeah, that's down there. But I had another area that I'd like to have covered. my rectangle box here. Right about here. No, hold on a second. Like that. Put that. What do I got going on here? That. Let's unlock this. Uh, down. This means we're letting speed. Get rid of whatever that is. And then go ahead and lock it again. Then we're going to format it and figure out its range value profile. Start, start, time frame, right in the line. So you got that. You can see down there. That's why we have that. That's the mean in the bottom. And then here's what I wanted. That's way up there. Right here. We got where my stars, but then we got this big area up here. You see this volume? There's nothing in there. And then you start to pick up some volume over here. That's why we have this up here before. Metal, the bird, the family, giant. Bring that up there. But that is going to be forming like that. There we go. That's why we have that major upper resistance up here, and then we got our other target up there where we're targeting. But that's what we're looking at. But because I think eventually we're coming down here. I think we got a big with the neon and the volume and the whole history of coin. And it doesn't seem plausible right now. That might even be plausible how far down that is. But I think about watching that for quite some time. Oops, just out of the way. That was a big rising channel. And this thing's on its further way down, but on a bear market rally, I can see something like this where you come all the way up and a big power move, right? And then you have a big crash, crash. But that's something to watch because I am looking to see if this does not move up there. That's currently where you're at. You need to hold above this critical, and we're in a weekly pattern. That's why this charts are all messed up. It's not way up. But as long as you want to stay bullish in the short term, you got to stay above that descending upper resistance. Or lower support now that used to be upper resistance. You're up to 50, 51 cents. And then you can continue up the upside, right? We look at the Bitcoin price. You can see we're continuing to move up off that swing low after the Fed talks. We now want roots our $24,400 target. And the next move would be to come up here and retest a long-standing target we've had since the big jump at $26,000, where we had a range between 26,000, major upper resistance at 29,000, right? So as long as Bitcoin stays above this uptrending line right here and the 200-day, and remain bullish, right? And you can even get a big buy and spike like that, you can play up. But if this starts to turn back down, you want to see the whole of this area down here, and then continue walking out of the bullish, right? That's major support. This is 200-day, and it's uptrending green line. Like, subscribe, 30% still crypto investing. And we'll keep you up to date on the ever-changing market. As you can see, the XRP finally did last night break above this major resistance, which I would have traded down with a huge buying spike. And you got above this that's very bullish. And what this would now seem to indicate is what we were talking about yesterday and last week and the week before. This 48 cents to 50 cents is very much in play now. As you have a power move with volume and a power move with price. And now the 200 days going to be massively uptrending like this. And XRP could be about to come all the way up into here, major overhead resistance to where you get up a little bit of a fall and then figure it out to watch out for what happens there. We've been looking for this to happen in XRP, and it's now looking like we're going to have a power move up to 48 cents after we hit almost a technical target that we will eventually hit that 20 cents or that power consolidation. But we could be coming all the way back up to this 48 to 50 cents on a technical power move. And you can see even in the daily time frame, you had a little bit of a buying spike there. That's the most buying you've had since maybe this green volume right there. Yeah, it's beat that one. It's your biggest volume spike since June, right? So we're going to continue to see what's going to go on here. We could get a consolidation after we hit the 200-day move or the 50-day moving average right here at about 43 cents. You could consolidate there for a minute. But that usually happens even if you are continuing the upside. When we go from the far out time frame to the short time frame, you can see that 2 hour power move we're talking about. And now what you want to see if the volume consolidates, which they do sometimes, you come back and you back test to 37 cents and then you hold it and then you kick off for the next leg of the bull market, or you could just keep continuing up from where you're at now. Like, subscribe, and share the channel. Don't forget to